Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure screen time is enabled and the device passcode is set. This locks settings later. Once done, open Settings, tap Screen Time, and verify your account appears. If this is a child device, enable Use Screen Time passcode now so limits can't be changed. You're already past setup. Next, we define the app limit itself. Make sure notifications won't distract you while configuring limits. Now create the limit. Tap App Limits and Add Limit, then pick a category or individual apps for precise control. Set the daily duration and tap Customize Days if you want different limits for weekdays versus weekends. Crucially, enable Block at End of Limit so the app locks automatically when time expires. Otherwise, the user can ignore the warning. Make sure Always Allowed doesn't include the apps you intend to restrict, because exemptions bypass limits. Finish by locking your configuration with Use Screen Time passcode. Choose a code different from device unlock to prevent easy overrides. Test the limit by opening the app and letting time expire. The app should gray out and require the passcode to continue. If it doesn't lock, make sure family sharing settings aren't granting overrides and that no other admin account can change screen time. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck the screen time passcode settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.